My people, abantu baninzi are always asking me ukuthi Matt, wenza kanjani lama videos? Une studio, what's going on? Nathi siyafuna ukurecorda mfondini, susivimbi info. Well, today I'll show you ba kahle kahle izinto ozidingayo. Actually mna isetup yami simple kakhulu, system sefoni, i-Bluetooth speaker. Zezo zinto ziyi-two qha, then ibe ifoni. Phone, stand phone, a Bluetooth speaker. So this is my Bluetooth speaker. You don't need the Bluetooth speaker. You can use the earphones. Even without earphones, you can still record. And then this is my phone, and then this is my stand. So if unale setup already, unga recorder. Next video sokubonisa uba senza kanjani so that equality ingabikho that bad.